Hello everyone, this is Yashaswini a very proud student of SRI SAI Coaching Classes. Really happy to say that I've scored 93% in my 10th ICSE Board Examinations this year, and I don't think I could have done this only through my own efforts. This major part of it goes to the faculties of SSCC, their motivation and encouragement given to me. I had joined this institution a year ago, and throughout the journey I've experienced that they don't concentrate only on academics, but they also help you to develop your own personality, which is really great. And to say about the faculties, they are just really well versed in their subjects which they teach and the chapters which they teach, and they're ready to clarify all kinds of doubts how many ever times you ask them until you're cleared with the concept. And they prepare, and about the marks you don't even have to worry. They prepare you so well for your board examinations. You got to experience it. And they conduct many events like annual day, sports day. I don't think all this is conducted in any other tuition. It's a really nice environment to learn, and as it says, SRI SAI Coaching Classes is known for knowledge.